Guys, welcome back. So in this video we'll see another example. But in this case we'll not only use HTML element table but also we'll use Angular template, ng template, in order to iterate the value of collection. Okay, so in the last video we saw how to use uh, ngFor with HTML element table, but in this video we'll see how to use ngFor with HTML element table and Angular element ng template. So we'll use table tag, we'll give some border, and we'll take two rows. We'll say th, which has we need name. I've taken the same collection of cars here. It has three objects and each object has name and price. So I'm taking name and price, and here this is where you need to make a point that I'll say tr. So this is for the header row and this is for the other rows, but this row should be enclosed within ng template. So this is the main point. So now I have enclosed this row within ng template. So in this case, when you are using ng template, we should not add the condition in the tr tag because we are using ng template. So we can use it here, but note the syntax will be different. As I told, whenever you're using ngFor with ng template, the syntax is a bit different when you're using star ngFor. Okay, so when you're using ng template, the syntax will be like this: ngFor let car, you can give a variable, and ngForOf is equal to collection cars, and let I is equal to index. And here you can give the cells like car dot name and car dot price, and if you want you can add the serial number as well, th serial number, and td I plus 1. So now you can see the table is being displayed with three columns: serial number, name and price, and it has each object has three values. That is one or it has three objects: Audi, BMW, Benz. So three values is being displayed, and three columns for each object. So I hope you have understood. So this is very important. Whenever you use ng template, the iteration logic, the ngFor logic will be on ng template, not on the tr. But in the previous video, when you compare the previous video, we are using tr tag and we are adding star ngFor on the same tr tag. So this is very important. Please note this, and you can compare this video with the previous video and execute it. Thank you.